Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am at my mom's house, mom and dad's house in Jabalpur, and it's shutting it down because it's monsoon season. So I thought I'll make something which I only eat when I'm in India, which is arbi. It's a vegetable. Mom's in the kitchen already cooking us a dinner, a lunch. So I'm going to take you in. We're going to cook. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Look at this. So here is a big plate of arbi. She's got half a kilo here, and you have to start by peeling it first. कितने किलो होगी ये? आधा किलो. This vegetable is called arbi in Hindi, and you usually get it in some Asian supermarkets. My local Asian supermarket stocks it sometimes, but not always. And in English, it's sometimes called taro root or colocasia root. So if you spot it in an Asian shop next time, buy it and try this delicious sabji. So once it's peeled, you just slice it thinly, kind of. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. If you keep it too thin, it usually breaks, and too thick will not crisp up. It will cook, but it will not crisp up from the outside. So yeah, just thin, long fingers. So I'm just sitting here relaxing at my parents' house, sitting on the balcony. Mom's just slicing this up, cooking us lovely meals. This is absolutely wonderful. Next, take a teaspoon of salt once everything's sliced up. Give it a good mix and then leave it aside for 1 hour. And this is going to help this make it greasy and slimy. And once that is done, an hour later, heat up 4 tablespoons of oil. Put the soaked arbi in a bowl of water so that you can wash it off. And in that oil, add half a teaspoon of just chili powder because it's going to stop it from sticking to the pan. And just take out the arbi pieces from the water or just drain it in a sieve and then transfer it to this hot pan. And now comes the slow cooking. So this is always done slowly. If you cook it on medium heat, is fine, but cooking this slowly just gives it time to crisp up and cook it from the inside and crisp up from the outside. Now this has taken a good half an hour of cooking on medium to low heat. In goes half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and now give it a mix. Next goes in half a teaspoon of garam masala to it, and that's all the spices done. A little pinch of salt because we put the salt in the arbi before. Now you can not add any at all, but this is up to your taste, and give it a real good mix. And now let it cook for last 5 minutes on low heat. So what happens is the corners and the edges crisp up nicely, which is actually my favorite part. And you can leave it in the pan to cool or serve straight away. Mom is serving it today with some paneer bhurji, some chole, and with that some chapati. Ye 10 hai. It's a full house at the moment as my sisters are visiting all at the same time, and it has been quite fun and have loved all of Mom's cooking, especially this arbi. Oh, what a very different taste. It's like a potato but taste of arbi. Like the texture is of potato but it's arbi.
Great on its own, but very good with chole, paneer. Amazing. It's called colocasia.
अच्छा
Yeah.